Christmas. I guess it's over now, but this is 2017, and these are just some of the gifts that I got for Christmas presents, which I'm very happy to show you. I'm very happy that I received them from my hubby and my daughter and my family. I'm just so happy. So that's a nice easel that I got for Christmas. Isn't that nice? Beautiful easel. Yes, it is. Now, nice and big. It'll hold a nice painting. This easel here that I had, this is what I was using. As you can see, it was pretty well falling apart. And so now I have this really nice easel. So if you're looking for any gifts, as people give you if you're into painting, an easel is one of the best gifts you can get. See, this is really nice. Adjusts. Really nice. Now, that will certainly come in handy for me doing my videos. Nice. Not nice. Nice. So that's a nice easel. See? Beautiful. And what else did I get? I got a new tripod, which I need to put my camera on for videotaping. Perfect gift. This goes up and down. This top here comes off. So, oops. That's okay, it still works. But anyway, that's that comes off like that. Good. And I also have this really nice tripod for my camera so that I can record my videos. My other one was kind of flimsy and it fell apart. So this is nice. It goes up and down easily. Swivels. This top part comes off. Make it easier for removal of my camera. I'm using one hand now, so it's a little, but there it is. It's simple. The other one didn't do that, but this is really nice. So I really like this tripod. This is that's a really nice tripod. And what else did I get? What else? Let's see. Oh, I got all kinds of paints. Nice paints. Big tubes of paint. Yep. So, I mean, these are great gifts if you're into painting or doing YouTube videos or whatever you do. Always put this kind of stuff on your list of birthdays, Valentine, any days, any excuse to get some new supplies. So they're nice paints also. And I also got some drawing materials, pencils, erasers, and pencils. Oh, this comes in handy. Lots of new brushes. Look at all the new brushes I got. Really nice brushes. These are nice. Yep. Really nice brushes. Oh, you can see a shine. I have lots of nice brushes. And what else did I get? I got some really nice pencils, colored pencils, because I do colored pencil sketches. And last but not least, I really like that. I like all my gifts, they're wonderful. And last but not least, my favorite of all time, what I need the most, is my lighting. My lighting, look, isn't that amazing? Now I got excellent lighting, just what I needed. Now, So nice. All my Christmas gifts are amazing, and they were thinking about me with my videos and my art, and got everything that I needed and anything else that I would need. But these are wonderful. If you're into doing videotaping or getting videos and need lighting, these are great to have. Yes, they are. Very nice. See how nice bright lighting? Yes, perfect. That's where I sit, do my sketches. So that's all, everything that I got. I got lots more stuff, but these are the most important ones that I got that I really needed. And I hope you guys had a great Christmas and Happy New Year to you.